2021 Dodge Durango 6.4 liter SRT HEMI. It's got the cats right there and right there. And it was straight pipe, but he said it was too loud for him. So what we went with for him is a couple of long, vibrant resonators right in the center to tone it down a little bit. And it goes back into the existing muffler delete that we did into his 4-inch black tips. Dodge Durango SRT 6.4 liter HEMI. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. All right, go ahead and back it out. Vibrants never disappoint.